Hi, welcome to Botany. We are going to be, I'm going to give you a series of videos. They are necessarily somewhat short, and because I'm lecturing, as you see, on my back porch, because of that, as a disclaimer, there's various noise. Sometimes my dog and cat are interfering with the scenario. But I just wanted to go over how I'm expecting you to do this work. So what you're going to be doing is the very first thing that I would recommend is that you print off the handouts that I have provided a link for. Those handouts include an outline, so the outline would go over the order in which we are going to be covering things. I try to make sure that that outline is covered on the board, but sometimes I don't put it in exactly the same format as this. So if you have it sitting in front of you while I'm going through the lectures, that will make it somewhat easier, or at least keeping track of the order of the videos in terms of the subject matter on the outline. Also, I provided a study guide, and what I would recommend for the study guide is that you print it out and that you keep it in front of you as you're listening to the lectures, and pause the lectures and fill out the study guide as you go. And then when you get ready to study, you can just study from the study guide, and that will make your life somewhat easier than having to re-watch the videos again. Another thing is I've provided two homework packets. One looks like this, that is, it has some things drawn out on the top, and the other one says carbohydrates on the top. Those are homework packets that you also need to print off, and then you are going to submit a copy of them to me, just to make sure that that you've done this work. I will go over them, any problems that you have with them, etc., on our Zoom sessions. So you can ask me questions and so forth on the Zoom sessions. Also, in addition, and you don't necessarily have to print off these things, are other handouts that I will be using throughout the lectures, and those would be useful to you to have in front of you, but you could have it on your computer in front of you as you listen to the lectures. So anyway, happy listening. I'm sorry in advance for any weird things that are happening on the videos.